And if you like, then I drive it with the windows down. And if you like.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and a very good day to my dear lecturer, Madam Zahida. My name is Muhammad Nazim bin Karul Murad. First and foremost, I would like to say thank you to everyone who will listen to this speech. Okay, on this beautiful day, I'm going to deliver a speech about the importance of sleep. I hope that I can give the best explanation about this topic. Let us pause to consider whether we are getting enough sleep these days with assignments, project, and work building up. There is no doubt that most people have less quality sleep in their schedule, and this could affect their daily activity. We all know that getting enough sleep is important, but how important is it really? So today I'm gonna tell you all about the importance of sleep, as I hope that with my speech, everyone can gain a lot of knowledge and apply it afterwards so they can improve their sleep quality. So, without further ado, let's move to the first main point, which is having a good sleep can help you to maintain and lose your weight. Firstly, sleep is related with metabolism. Sleep is similar to brain nourishment. Most people require between 7 and 9 hours of sleep every night. Cortisol levels rise when you don't get enough sleep. This stress hormone instructs your body to preserve energy in order to power your awake hours. Sleep length also has an impact on metabolism, namely glucose metabolism. When we consume anything, our bodies release insulin, a hormone that aids in the processing of glucose in our blood. Sleep deprivation, on the other hand, can affect our body's sensitivity to insulin, limiting the capacity to absorb glucose. We may be able to recover from a single night of sleep deprivation, but in long run, this might contribute to health problems such as obesity and 2-type diabetes. Sleep has an impact on two essential hunger hormones in our body, leptin and ghrelin. Leptin is a hormone that suppresses hunger. Thus, when levels of leptin are high, we tend to feel fuller. On the other hand, ghrelin is a hormone that may drive appetite and is commonly referred to as the hunger hormone, since it's considered to be responsible for the sense of hunger. According to one study, sleep deprivation raises ghrelin levels while decreasing leptin. Another study, which included 1,024 people, discovered that the lack of sleep was linked to greater levels of ghrelin and lowest level of leptin. The combination may enhance a person's appetite, making calorie restriction more difficult to maintain and perhaps increasing the likelihood of overeating. As a result of the changes in appetite hormones, increasing food consumption may result in weight gain. This suggests that sleep deprivation may result in weight gain in the long run owing to these changes in hunger. Getting a decent night's sleep should thus be prioritized if you want to maintain or lose your weight. Now, let's proceed to the second main point, which is to strengthen the immune system of our body. Sleep is beneficial to our immune system. Numerous studies have documented the advantages of a good night's sleep, and now German researchers have discovered that enough sleep enhances immune cells known as T cells. T cells are sort of immune cells that fights intercellular infection such as virus-infected cells like flu, HIV, herpes, and cancer cells. T cells plays an important role in the body's immune system. When cells in the body recognize a virally infected cell, they activate integrins, a sticky type of protein that then allows them to attach and kill infected cell. The researchers compared T cells from healthy volunteers who either slept or stayed awake all night. They found that in a study, participants who slept, their T cells showed higher levels of integrin activation than in the T cells of those who were awake. The findings indicate that sleep has the potential to improving T cell functioning. For people who get poor sleep, stress hormones may inhibit the ability of T cells to function as effectively. Now, we have seen the second main point. Let's continue with the last main point. Next, with a good amount of sleep, our brain can be sharp and easier to focus on something. When you sleep deprived, it's likely that you have difficulty to retaining and recalling things. This is due to the fact that sleep plays an important role in both learning and memory. It's difficult to focus and absorb new knowledge when you don't have enough sleep. In addition, your brain does not have enough time to correctly store memories so that you can access them later. According to brain scan research, when we are sleep deprived, the portions of the brain that help us weigh unfavorable events are less active, and the section of the brain that process happy outcomes are more active. As a result, when we are sleep deprived, we are less able to make smart judgments and correctly assess risk. As a result, we may be more prone to workplace and road accident injuries and blunders. Now, I have done explaining the last point. Today, you definitely noticed 3 main points about the importance of sleep. So, in conclusion, it is very critical to comprehend the significance of sleep. Sleeping adequately helps your body recuperate from any pain or injury. It improves your immune system, cognitive memory, and mental power. Furthermore, obtaining enough sleep is very critical for keeping our hearts and other systems clean and healthy. We put ourselves at danger of mental health disruption as well as physical diseases and difficulties such as melancholy, anxiety, heart attacks, obesity, which leads to a variety of other issues, and even weariness, which may finally interrupt one's life if we do not get enough sleep at night. Every day we must obtain enough sleep in order to appear and feel fresh and healthy. So that's all from me. Thank you for listening. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.